He's over by the trash, so we're gonna race them. We're racing vacuum cleaners. Ready? Mark, check, go! You won. Anthony won. Alright, let's go put him back in the trash now. I'll race you back. Woo! You went off track, dude. Watch out. Doofus, you're over there.
I win. We're playing that house game and we going please. I'm driving super fast. This is Kid and I'm Dad and your mom.
Mom, I get to be mom?
Yeah. Hold on. So it looks like we're late driving.
Hey, don't touch the gas for real.
Poppy, we're here. We're at Hula Loops.
There goes the vacuum cleaner champion. Champion! Hey, vacuum cleaner champion, where you going? It's a good dead end.
It's dead end?
Yeah, it means there's nowhere else to go.
Don't take a picture of me.
Maybe this will straighten them out. Hey, you.
Can wait then. It did not suit.
Oh, that's nice. You want to get my dog? Oh.
Ow!
How's that?